Courtan in the Dark by George Corrigall. I suppose you'll all have noticed that the year is on the wane. The long dark winter evenings have returned to us again. Long winter nights that's nae enjoyed by us that's getting old. For we dinna like the darkness and we can't endure the cold, but for our young courting couples, winter is a sheer delight. For the working day is shorter, so there's longer time at night to spend at some secluded spot and there upon embark on nature's very oldest pastime, the courting in the dark, in the dark, in the gloaming. It began, I do believe, in the very dawn o' history, when Adam courted Eve. There was nae heaving colour gas to light up Noah's ark, so the human race just had to do their courting in the dark. Aye, well, times have changed enough a lot since those far distant days, and I think it courting couples ought to modernise their ways. And just for their enlightenment we might as well confess that courting in the darkness hasna proved a great success, for there's lots of lovely ladies here we are for ugly men. Oh, exactly why you married them, I'm sure you can't explain. It looks as though your courtship was a tasteless piece of work, but the real explanation is you courted in the dark, in the dark, in the gloaming. It's a mystery to me why anyone would want to kiss a face you canna see. We admit that marriage is a chancy piece of work. Guess it makes it doubly so, this courting in the dark. Now I want to make it very clear to every courting pair, we dinna want to spy on you, for that would not be fair. We only say let there be like to every lad and lass, for we hae got the hydro new and lots of colour gas. Aye, and when you settle down in life a happy married pair, you'll learn to bless the light that shone upon your love affair. You'll be happy and contented, you'll warble like a lark, 'cause you never did believe in courting in the dark, in the dark, in the gloaming. I'm sure you'll all agree, you needna take your orders for a bachelor like me, a useless guy that's never won a lassie's hand or heart. Oh, a real downright failure in the daylight and the